kids. And this is what you get. Yes. Hey, Veezy fam! Guys, today we are gonna make the easiest, fastest, cheapest, do-it-yourself fish trap. We're gonna run to Home Depot. I'm hungry. Are you frozen? Unfreeze. We're gonna run to Chick-fil-A. Actually, we just had a hurricane, so we're gonna show you some things. We got some future plans, and stick around, we got a banger. Boom, bam, ah, man, ah, slam, jam, scream like Tarzan. Guys, we're not sponsored by Chick-fil-A, but as much Chick-fil-A as we eat, we should be. But I want y'all to check out, I don't even know what this meal's called, but we're gonna call it the Veezy Fam meal. All right, so you take your chicken nuggets, you pour them in there, French fries, mac and cheese, you take a Chick-fil-A sauce. Can we call this the Veezy Fam meal? And then you shake it up like this. Oh my God. Oh my God. And this is what you get. Oh. Oh yeah. We're gonna make that dream come true. And we'll do it. Dude, this is so simple. All you need is zip ties. Let's get only $4, dude. We're gonna get a couple in case we need one for later. Maybe some bigger ones. All right, this is it.
You need a rainbow. Rainbow. You need a rainbow. Rainbow's better.
And that is the second thing and the final thing that you need. Bro, you got a hernia. Oh my goodness. But wait, do we just walk out or should we pay for it? Or
you gotta go this way.
Want to do a running gun? What is it called? When you just...
Running gun.
No, dude, then the cops will get me and then they'll take you away. Wait, I can lose my kids? This kid's so weird, bro.
Wait, I have one more thing.
What? We literally are doing a whole do-it-yourself fish trap for $26. What? No. What the heck?
It's just Halloween.
Darn, they've already paid. Why does he keep bringing stuff? So let's go home now. Jayla, hold this. So we had a hurricane, what was it, Nicole? Hurricane Nicole. It wasn't that bad, a little bit of rain and stuff, but you see how we prepare? We throw everything in the pool. So when the hurricane comes, nothing blows because it's underwater, and I probably got a bunch of more clips. Here we go again. Here's the hogs again. Literally taking the pool area once again. Guys, we felt bad because, all right, remember last time, goats died. We didn't want that to happen, so all the goats came inside in our house. It still smells like a farm in there. It was so nasty. Then it started raining super hard. Ryan felt bad, so she brought llamas in the house. Bro, have you guys ever had llamas and goats in your house? House still smells like a farm. It's been like 2 days. I probably got some more clips on what we were doing, cleaning up. I know Anthony was like closing accordion shutters and doing all that, and
chopper sound like baby shark cause it go doo-doo-doo. I don't got no ass no more.
The kids were doing an amazing job. Back to this video though. All right, we're back home. We got our jug. It's full.
What are we gonna do with all the water?
I have an idea. Anthony!
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
This is the easiest do-it-yourself fish trap. All we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a hole around the top, flip it inside out, zip tie it together, throw some food in there, catch monsters, like sharks and stuff.
Chopper sound like baby shark cause it go doo-doo-doo.
That's it. All right, so the next step, we're gonna have to put some holes. 4. All right, so the easiest way is we're gonna hold it like this and we're just gonna put holes. Boom. Boom. What about like jam the hole into the hot tub? Guys, this is literally the fastest and easiest fish trap in the entire world. If you guys know of an easier one, let me know below in the comments because I don't know of a faster and easier one.
One more. So
guys, look at me. All I do is sweat.
That's water.
Like, no, this is actually like sweat. I'm dripping sweat. I sweat out here in Florida. We should change the name to like the Sweaty Fam.
That's nasty. Ew.
How can it be the sweaty fam if you're the only one who does it?
Sweat fam.
Well, Anthony sweats.
Oh, I don't.
Smell his armpits right now.
I'm good.
I'll give you $1 if you... I just gave him some deodorant, guys. His first deodorant.
His deodorant fell behind the bed. He hasn't got it in 2 weeks.
Okay. Well, I gave him his own deodorant for the first time. Alright, then we go this side.
If I were a fish, I wouldn't go in there.
It's not about looks, alright?
Looks like a death trap.
A death trap? It's safe. So now they don't think it's a death trap. Alright, look guys. So you just cut the edges off.
Okay, I'm good.
Waka. Waka. Waka.
Waka flocka flame. Huh?
Alright, we got a nice tight rope, and then we're gonna fill it up with some fish food, whatever they want to eat. So we got one piece of bread. Let's throw some of this in there. I forgot, I got platinum koi food. What if we catch a koi? That's enough. So hopefully you catch something, or this whole video is gonna be crap and you guys are gonna make fun of us even more for being horrible fishermen. Remember that video that I got the lure stuck in my finger? Dude, that hurt. If you guys haven't seen that video, you should check it out. Most pain I've ever felt, ever. Same as childbirth for a woman. Well, I've been getting a lot of hate on that. They're telling me I should get that machine that makes you feel like childbirth, that like goes into your stomach. Maybe I'll get that. Guys, I forgot one more thing, a special ingredient. What is this called? Miso shrimp or miso? Mika? Whatever shrimp that we give to our fish inside, we're gonna throw 2 pieces in here. Whoops. Throw those in there.
LeBron James. LeBron James.
The best basketball player, not LeBron James. Jordan! Ah!
Maybe it's my fault.
Alright, this is how Anthony's eating his lunch for today. He's just gonna sit there and have a meal. Guys, you gotta like this video. This kid's crazy. Do it for Anthony. You like Anthony? Like this video. We got our fish trap. It's all 100% built and ready to go. We're gonna throw it here in our duck pond because I got a whole bunch of little fish, and I want to prove to you guys that this is the easiest, fastest, cheapest do-it-yourself fish trap in the world. So we're gonna throw it in here. We're gonna leave it in here overnight. Then tomorrow morning when we come out to feed all the animals, we're gonna grab it and we're gonna see what we got, and we're gonna put them back because these are our pets, so we're not gonna keep them. Anthony, do us the honors, bro, and yeet it. Let's tie it up right there, too. And then we'll leave that in there for 24 hours and we'll see.
24 days?
24 days?
Yeah.
Tell me you're homeschooled without telling me you're homeschooled.
Ready, set, hike. Ah. Oh. All right, guys, so we got some amazing fan art right here. This is from Heddich Aquarium Hole by Tara Heddich. Tara, good looking out. Wow, this is a beautiful picture. I like it. All these are going up on the fridge right now, and then eventually we're gonna get them a wall just for the fan art. But look at what else we got. We have this otter. This is so beautiful. And it says, it's William Chavetta again, our buddy, and he's designing otter homes. And then we got this from the Heddich Aquarium Hole from Tara. Oh, look how beautiful. So guys, our P.O. box is listed below. If you guys have any drawings you want to send us, we'll definitely open them up. We'll shout you out. This was our first one.
Yeah.
Our first one from our boy William. Send us some cool stuff, because Anthony loves going to the P.O. box, and when he opens it up and there's nothing in it, he cries. Hey, so you guys remember this 4,000 gallon aquarium pond thing we got? So right now, we got like 20 koi in here, right? Koi are cool, but they're super skittish. And when anytime it like rains really hard in here or wind picks up, it knocks down all these trees and throws stuff all over the place. So in a very soon video, we got an amazing YouTuber who is a professional fisherman, angler, way better than us. He's coming over. We're gonna take these koi, most of them, and we're gonna put them over there into the big pond, okay? And then we're gonna drain this thing, we're gonna clean it out completely, and I've been in talks with Rod from Predatory Fins. You guys know him? If not, check out his channel, Predatory Fins. But he said he's gonna be sending us some crazy stuff. And I think that one pacu that Paul was looking for in the big pond, the albino that he couldn't find, I think I can find it. I think we're gonna put that in here, and I think there might be another pacu, and then I know there's a couple peacock bass. So this 4,000 gallon aquarium is gonna get all cleaned out, drained, refilled, and it's gonna be the new predatory pond. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just go over here and we're gonna get our little tilapia from cast netting, and then on every couple videos we're gonna come over here and bam! And then we're gonna get our fingers bit off. Just for you guys. It has been about 24 hours, the cheapest, easiest, fastest fish trap is still in the water, but we're gonna check on it. So, we're gonna see if it works. Listen, I'm gonna disclaimer right now. If nothing's in it, I'm sorry.
See a fish.
But Anthony sees a fish. All right, let's pull it up, see what we got, guys. I see something. Hold on, I got scissors. Tip it up. It's empty?
Yeah, it's empty.
Oh man, hold on, no, tip it this way, right side up. You don't see any fish? Yes, yes. I see a couple in there.
Yeah.
Here, let's just dump it.
Why?
We're gonna put them in anyway. Look at that. Oh, there's a bunch. Wait, there's still some in there. Watch out, that rock. Holy crap.
What the heck is that?
What is that orange one? Yo, ask the camera. It's all of our feeder fish. What is that? Hey guys, comment down below if you could tell us what kind of fish that is. That's awesome. That's Mayan cichlid. And then these are a bunch of tilapia.
It's gone now.
Throw them in, throw them back in.
Yeah, working.
Because these are all our feeder fish. So guys, hey, the fish trap worked. It was a success. Well, how many fish did we get? I didn't even count
1, 2, 3, 4.
We didn't even count them. How are we gonna sell them on the brain game?
We have to go back.
How about this? Speaking of which,
Brain game, brain game, brain game, brain game.
that's right guys, it's time for the brain game. We're gonna ask you 3 questions, and below, comment your answers. And if you get all 3 right, you could be shouted out on an up and coming future video.
Shout out to Jackpot Junkie for getting all the 3 answers in our last brain game.
Question number 1, which store did we go buy that amazing DIY trap from?
Question number 2, how much money did we spend there?
Question number 3, in this video right here, you gotta go find it, I ain't even gonna say nothing. What kind of pet did we bring Paul Cuffaro? Anthony, catch another fish, just get it right here. Put it right here, right here. Hey guys, till the next time, peace.
I had my football shirt on!